Okay, here's a thought for you. Have you ever wondered if an ancient religious ritual could actually be connected to the most fundamental laws of the universe? We're about to explore a really fascinating link between faith and physics, a hidden pattern that connects galaxies, atoms, in a single, pretty profound human act. So our journey starts with this really powerful verse from the Quran. It says that everything, and I mean everything, from the smallest particle to the biggest star, is in a constant state of worship or prostration. Now, that's a beautiful idea, for sure, but what does it actually mean? I mean, seriously, how goes a galaxy pray? We've never seen a star bow down, right? Or a planet get on its knees. So, how? Well, that is the exact mystery we're going to unravel today. And believe me, the answer lies in a kind of cosmic dance that's been going on for billions of years. To get to the bottom of this, we've got to start by looking up. We need to see how our understanding of our place in the cosmos has totally changed over time. You know, for centuries, people believed we were at the very center of it all, that the Earth was just still, motionless. But now, of course, we know the reality is so much more dynamic. Our planet is always on the move, spinning and circling our sun. This huge shift in thinking didn't just happen overnight. The real turning point came about 400 years ago, thanks to one guy who dared to look a little closer at the heavens: Galileo. See, Galileo didn't just look, he paid attention to the movement. He saw that the phases of Venus and the way Jupiter's moons moved, well, it only made sense if those planets, and our own, were all orbiting the sun. This one observation completely shattered centuries of belief. It got him into some serious trouble, but it totally set humanity on a new path. But wait, the story doesn't stop there. We went from thinking Earth was the center to the sun being the center, only to find out our sun is just one tiny, tiny speck of light in this enormous city of stars we call the Milky Way galaxy. So that brings up the next logical question, doesn't it? If planets orbit a star, what does a whole galaxy packed with billions of stars orbit? There has to be some kind of center, some gravitational anchor holding this whole cosmic dance together. And here it is. Right at the very center of the Milky Way, there is a gravitational monster with unimaginable power, a supermassive black hole. And just to try and wrap your head around that, its mass is the same as 4 million of our suns all smashed together. This thing is the silent conductor of our galactic orchestra, pulling every single star, including ours, into this huge circular orbit. So what we're seeing here is a universal pattern. On the biggest scale you can possibly imagine, everything is in orbital motion. It's all circling. Now, what if I told you that that exact same pattern is happening on the smallest scale imaginable? Okay, so now we're going to zoom all the way in. We're going from the unbelievably large to the invisibly small to see how this cosmic dance plays out inside of, well, everything. Remember that grand cosmic pattern we just saw? Well, it's not just out there in deep space. It's happening right now, inside every single thing you can see, inside every one of us. The building blocks of our entire reality are atoms, and their structure, it's going to look really familiar. At the heart of every atom, there's a nucleus made of protons and neutrons. And what's happening all around that nucleus? You got it, electrons in constant orbital motion. I mean, the parallel is just incredible, isn't it? It's the same fundamental design. You have a central point of mass and energy, and you have smaller parts circling it. From the tiniest atom to the biggest galaxy, the universe follows this one simple, elegant rule. Everything is in orbit. Okay, so now it's time to bring it all together. We've seen the cosmic pattern, we've seen the atomic pattern, so where on earth does a human ritual fit into all this? Well, during the annual Hajj pilgrimage to Mecca, one of the most central acts for Muslims is called the Tawaf. Millions of people move together as one, circling a single central point, the Kaaba, and they all move in the exact same counterclockwise direction. And this is the connection. This is the moment it all clicks. When a person performs the Tawaf, their motion is mirroring the universe at every single scale. They are moving just like the electrons in their own body, just like the planet they're standing on, and just like the galaxy they live in. It's a conscious act of syncing up with the fundamental rhythm of all creation. And here's the really profound insight. The ritual isn't about asking the cosmos to copy a human action. No, it's about a human action consciously choosing to copy the way of the cosmos. So, let's go all the way back to our original question. How does a galaxy pray? Well, the answer means we have to redefine a really important word. In this context, sajda, or prostration, isn't just about bowing your head. It's much deeper. It's understood as the act of submitting to and moving in perfect harmony with the divine system that governs the entire universe. It's all about alignment. And that brings us to our conclusion. The galaxies, the stars, the planets, the electrons, all of them are in a constant state of prostration because of their perfect unwavering orbits. That so often becomes this incredibly symbolic act. It's the human choice to consciously join in on that cosmic prayer. It's a really powerful idea, connecting our smallest actions to the largest events in the cosmos. And it leaves us with one final thought to ponder. In a universe that's defined by this constant, harmonious motion, what does it even mean to be still?